Good day, everyone. We are the Bees of A1AN. Today, we're diving into a super fun and sustainable project. We're going to turn a pile of clothes into a gorgeous handmade rug using a simple rug frame. We are trying to upcycle some old t-shirt or just want to create something cozy and unique. This project is perfect. No fancy equipment needed, just some basic tools, time, and a little patience. Steps in crafting rug. Step 1. Prepare the materials: old clothes, scissor, and rug frame. Step 2. We're going to prep our fabric. Take our clothes and cut them into strips around 1 to 2 inches wide. Try to keep them consistent. Now we're going to string our wrap. Tie your string to the first nail on top. Bring it straight down to the corresponding nail on the bottom. Loop it around, then back up to the next top nail. Keep going until your frame is strong like a harp. Make sure the strings are taut but not too tight. You don't want them snapping under pressure later. And just continue on the other side of the frame. And this is what it's look like when you finish looping the thread into the nails. Next, take your first fabric strip and start weaving it over and under the wrap strings. Over one, under the next, over under, you get the idea. When you reach the other side, bend it back and weave in the opposite direction, alternating the over-under pattern. Push each row down as you go to keep things tight and tidy. As you work, use your fingers to push the row down snugly. This keeps your rug dense and helps it hold its shape. And this is what it's look like when you finish wrapping the frame. Once your rug has reached the size you want, it's time to finish off the ends. At the very last row, Tuck in the fabric or tie around the outermost wrap threads. These help lock it in place. Now we're going to carefully take wrap threads off the nails. Go slowly braiding it by inserting from the edge one by one to secure the rug and keep it from falling apart. And lastly, tie the edge. And don't forget to check and ensure all ends are secure. And that's